Jeremy.
No, Jeremy?
It's probably on freaking Mexico, out in Mexico.
So yeah guys, this is one of Wolfpack's race vehicles right here. It's a race UTV for a desert. You can see it's all set up for the desert. Pretty cool.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're still down here at Wolfpack. Basically what we're doing down here is we're shooting a video for one of the new roll cages that they're making. This new roll cage for a Polaris. So yeah, we were shooting a video for the cage. Now we're shooting a video for this machine right here, the JD squared. It's like a bender or something. Okay, so we're all done at Wolfpack. We're all done filming at Wolfpack now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace!